conditioning field here in Texas, it's a field that is not going anywhere. Our weather is just so crazy. You've got to have air conditioning to be able to survive here now.
My favorite class here is testing and balancing. We monitor water pressure, air pressure, duct leakage, things in that nature. It's really interesting because you use your brain a lot. It's not so much physical work as it is using your head, trying to figure out different situations and how to set everything to what it needs to be set at.
One of my favorite classes would be residential AC. Probably 90% of the class is hands-on. You get to go out in the lab and basically get your tools out. I love tools.
The TSTC grads get a great foundation in the science behind air conditioning, which is what serves them well when it comes to actually getting out in the field and servicing equipment, resolving tough problems. I mean, if you don't have that science background, it's a very difficult job. I mean, you have to know the hows and whys of what's going on in a system.
We have 5 instructors who have all been there 7 years or longer, and their experience varies from commercial refrigeration and working in nuclear power plants to sales and service and in the testing and balancing industry.
The classes are limited to the amount of equipment that we have for any particular lab, so we make sure that we have hands-on for each person in that class. We have an excellent advisory board that's in the business keeping up with what they need to know, what they have to do to stay on top of everything.
60% of the times you're out there in the labs working on equipment, and so you're going to get a lot of hands-on experience. Different companies out in the field have donated a lot of equipment to us, so we're able to train the students on updated equipment, and whatever we're teaching in the labs in the classroom is actually what they're going to be doing in the field.
We have manufacturers that have donated chillers, direct digital controls equipment. All these are very expensive systems to put into a building, but they're willing to do that and happy to do that just to get their names and logos in front of these students.
What sets TSTC apart from other schools is you feel more at home here. The teachers, they feel like they're your friends or something. If you go to a different school, it's really intimidating. Over here, it's a very nice setting, and it's very easy to get along with everybody, and I like it.
Everybody's just so friendly, supportive. I mean, from your counselors on up to financial aid, everybody works for the student, and you're not just a number. They know who you are when you come in. Some of our industry partnerships include the fantastic job placement that we have, and we also have programs available where students can have their loans repaid by industry whenever they go to work.
Industry partners are vital to our program. They support us in all types of ways. We have endowment funds where they've contributed money that we are allowed to give scholarships.
They have excellent job placement. I've only been looking for about the last 2 weeks, and right now I have 4 job offers already available. I'm getting calls every day to come in for other interviews. This field is so open that your possibilities are unlimited.
There's a lot of companies from big cities that come here to TSTC, so there's sales positions open, service technician jobs. There's lots of opportunities.
The job market is very hungry for more technicians right now. That need is projected to continue on for many years, which is great for the students coming out now because they're in high demand. A lot of the students that come out as TSTC do have a great fundamental knowledge of the HVAC trades. A lot of them have gone through different skills tests and different trainings that have kind of tested that knowledge a little bit, and that translates well when they come to work and you're putting them in those difficult situations. I almost every semester try to pick up 1 or 2 TSTC graduates.
What makes our programs stand out are the amount of lab space we have, the quantity of equipment, the diversity of the background, and the quality of all the instruction. So I think we have the full deal here.
I would recommend TSTC. I think it's a great place to start out and to grow. It's a good opportunity for people to get an education that will further them in life.
Actually, I've gotten a lot of job offerings. In the past couple of weeks, I've had about 4 or 5, and I have to keep telling everybody I'm going to wait until I graduate, and then I'll make my decision and give them a call.